are live. Okay, so this is like last minute getting ready for the air show.
I don't know whose canteen this is, but it's not right. Thank you.
It's not mine, I don't think. Hopefully. I'm kind of like, we just set up everything. We spent the night here, which it was way colder than last year. Last year was like billion fucking degrees. No, actually last year was like 110, I think. It was like 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So that was
Fahrenheit.
Yeah, well, I have to say for international folks.
Why are you getting ready at my workspace?
Where is your map here? Is it here? Is it here? No, it's not. I need to clean my face because, as you can see, I forgot to take off my eyeliner from yesterday at work. That's wonderful. That's what kind of weekend it's already shaping up to be. Bless you. I'm really proud of myself. I put together a less farby cosmetics stuff just because I was sick of rushing and hiding everything. So I thought I would share all of the stuff that I have managed to get, and I'm trying to gather the pieces of my life that remain. Oh, there's my mirror. That does nothing to help me. Oh, it's all, oh god, okay. Where the fuck? Oh, powdered deodorant. I'm trying this for the first time. This is from the LBCC Little Bits on Etsy. I hear rave reviews about their stuff. Their bug balm really worked really well last night. I didn't get any bites or anything, so that was really nice. So I'm gonna try their deodorant powder. I've been using it a little bit, but this is like the true test because this is like the all the time event. Here's the bug stuff. It's great. So what I like about them is that they use like all of these, they make stuff from historical recipes. Where the fuck is it? This is the story of every morning, me rushing to try and get my shit together. I apologize that nothing has really happened yet because I don't know where my Vaseline went. Oh, there it is. Never mind. I found it. We're all good. It was right in front of my freaking face. Yeah. So anyway, I'm at Planes of Fame Airshow right now. It opens up to the public at 8, which is coming up fast. Don't you love it when you forget to take off your makeup from the day before? Yeah, you get to see me barefaced. It's kind of gross. I'm sorry. What a way to start your morning. You wake up and see Western Spice's ugly mug. Now imagine how I feel. I see that every morning. Hang out. Thank you for ruining my live stream. That's okay. My face ruins it. This is actually for my foundation. I know. I'm far, but I haven't gotten to the point where I'm confident enough to go out in public without foundation. So maybe someday, and then I will be completely, we'll see. We'll work on it. It's little baby steps. Anyway, I only use a little bit and really massage it into my face so that it only really kind of evens out my skin tone because I do get redness and stuff. I should probably moisturize first. What is my head this morning? I use aloe vera gel because I really like that. Nah, I get it in bulk from Target. It's not even like real aloe vera gel. I don't know what the fuck it is. But it works really well because sometimes my face gets really dry and only in like certain parts. And I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? That didn't really do anything, mostly because this needs to be wet. That is too wet. So, like, this event is big for us because it's our first time trying to really delve into first person. Usually what we do, we usually have, like, when we're at public events, it's usually teaching people about the WAC. Yes! We're all wearing our all heels on duty. You guys just get to watch me stress in the morning. Isn't that great? So I also, Besame has, I'm not huge on the Besame foundation sticks, but they have them on sale for $5. They are literally $5. So I was like, why the fuck not? So I just kind of do this. This is Farb too. Don't do as I do, kids. Whatever you do, just do it lightly and blend and do as natural as possible. I have gotten the compliment from my own mother. She was like, I thought you were gonna put on makeup today. I was like, I did. So anyway, I just add a little bit of the darker foundation. Not really as contoured, it's more just to like break it for whiteness. I'm not even white, so you can't even freaking tell. I'm the only one that's ever gonna tell. So like, why do I do it? Because I'm horrible. Hello, there's a Jeep idling right here. I don't She's a mess. You're great. No, I love you. Okay, so what's next? What do I do next? That's a good question. I figure it out as I go, and then I forget my contacts. I've done that before where I've forgotten to put my contacts until everything was on my face. That wasn't fun. Okay, you want to see how many times it takes me to get them in? Sometimes I can get them in on the first try. Sometimes I can't. Sometimes it takes me very, very long, and my mother comes into the bathroom saying, "Why the hell are you screaming?"
Oh, hi. There were bugs that came out of the freaking switchboard. Like they crawled out. It was like a horror movie. Well, it wasn't that bad, but there was bugs crawling out of literally everything.
My contacts are gross. That's gross. Like everything that was on my fingers is now going into my eyes.
What?
No one in Olivia's house eats eggs. I don't know why.
What's wrong with you people? Shirley Temple over here. Don't give me that look. Does someone want to entertain my live stream while I poke my eye?
They don't like you.
It's super intimidating.
They're not intimidating, they're nerds. You guys are nerds. If you follow me, you're a freaking nerd. So I don't know, did I post about it? No, I didn't. I just got a midi cut. It looks like a mullet, but I'm really curious as to how it'll brush out today.
She's poking her eye.
Where it went? Fuck. Oh, it's in the other.
You got an eyelash curler?
Nope. I don't do that shit.
Hi, y'all.
It's one of them.
Hi, everybody. Oh, I need to button up my shirt.
I'm sorry.
Get in my eye!
Michaela's still trying to poke.
Did I not tell you that it would be one of two things? It would either go straight in my eye or it would
Just me screaming. No, there's no chicken tendies in here.
Girl thing?
Bitch, I need that to put my contacts in.
They're all coming out, so I don't know what to do. It's because I said it dry, not wet. That was a big mistake.
How many wax does it take?
To open.
Son of a bitch.
Language. Has Michaela gotten in her contacts yet?
Nope, I haven't even got 1 inch.
Michaela has not made any progress on her contacts. That's okay, because I'm here to brush out my messy hair for y'all. We were up at 5:30 this morning. We went to bed at like 1, so tells you how much sleep we got last night. Ooh, what is that right there? What is that doing?
This is Artsy Aviator, by the way. You should follow her.
I can't tell what's happening because it looks really good in this camera, but I don't think it looks really good in real life. I think it's just deceiving.
Hi.
This is the ultimate chicken tendy.
I am absorbing, the chicken tendy is absorbing more chicken tendies to become a stronger chicken tendy so I can become the ultimate.
And that's her boyfriend. Like, that was a conscious decision on her part to start going out with him.
He did that after we started dating?
No, he was like that before.
Yikes. My hair is yike. I'm losing it. This part is just like, you know what? I don't feel like curling today. We're a little stressed out because it's opening in a few minutes here. We're not ready. But you know, it's cool. We like to work under pressure.
Speak for yourself.
Best diamonds are made under pressure. The best diamonds are made
diamond
under
in the rough.
pressure.
Replica one. But the original one.
Okay. Powder time, which I also got from Little Bits on Etsy. It's the 1930s Velour face powder. So I've been using it a little bit. I like it. The only thing is that the tin that it's in, it has like that little strainer thing to keep it from going everywhere, and yet it still goes everywhere. So it's a little messy. That would be my only complaint, but I like the powder itself. Yeah, see, it's like in there. And so I just put in like a little bit because it gets like saturated in powder. So I guess I'm using my beauty blender. And I don't like to put too much makeup on. I learned that because you don't want to get makeup on your collar. I'm gonna use this deodorant. Sorry, you're gonna have to watch me put on deodorant.
Yeah.
Yay! The most glamorous part of reenacting. Just as people drive by, watch me with like my hand in my shirt, oh, and my other button unbuttoned, so they just got like a full view of cleavage. Probably they too. Besame Rouge. The way I use it, I half use it historically, half modern in the way that I use it. I almost use it like a contour, but at the same time on my cheeks. And I'm so confused. I try to kind of follow like what's your face type and how you put it, and I don't know. So I just end up smudging it on my face and hoping it fits. Here, this is another farb thing I do. I'm gonna let you in because again, I'm not confident enough to go without at least a little bit of perfume along here. Maybe someday I'll be comfortable enough with my face to just, you know, completely go all accurate in methods and stuff, but, and even then I only like kind of darken the base of my lashes. Like this isn't full-blown eyeliner. This is me giving the illusion that I have fuller lashes than what I do. And then I recently got the Besame Cake Mascara. I actually really like it because it doesn't clump. They take the brush seats. I don't know if anyone's familiar. So this is how mascara was in the good old days. You wet the brush and then you start scrubbing away at the cake, and then you just kind of hope for the best. What?
I said you're gonna be a cosmetologist.
Oh yeah, that's me. I know exactly what I'm doing. I have dark enough lashes that I don't really have to rely on mascara, but I do it because I get powder on my lashes and then it looks like I've been sniffing cocaine with my eyes. Well, this got really messy really fast. Now, I had my little bug out bag all nice and coordinated, and then now it's a mess. Besame 1940s fragrance that apparently they don't sell no more. Where is it? Bring it back. Literally every...
That's what you get for being all angry.
I'm allowed to be angry, damn it. Anyway, so yeah, I'm angry because everything that I'm like, yeah, I will like consistently buy from Besame, they always discontinue. Do they like have a listening device in my phone to tell me that, oh, let's take this away?
Definitely told me about it. I was in on it.
You were in on it.
She was the one listening.
But you listened to me. Alright, it's brush out time. So this is my first time brushing out my midi. I know. It better be worth it because it's not that flattering when it's just regular, and I wear it regular
when
all
it
the
was
time.
down. I mean, it did look funky, but I liked it.
It took me forever to find a stylist that was like, yeah, okay, I'm willing to try that. They always like gave me a weird look, and I was like, can you just please not? Like, if it comes out bad, it's not your fault. I told you to do it. That was pretty much right. So she's like, so are you adventurous in this sort of stuff? Do you like do things with your hair? And I'm like, not really. I'm just testing it out, see how it goes. There's a bug. Oh wait, there's like ants on the table, and I just squished that one. I meant to just brush him aside, but now he's smeared all over the table. Look at my curly curl. No, brush out time. Where's my damn mirror? Oh, it's in here.
Damn, pulling her out.
I don't even know what's happening with my hair. It's not light enough.
It smells tan.
Oh, that's not bad. I really like this. It frames out really nice. Like it literally does. It does the you thing.
This is super cute.
Yeah?
Fluffy too.
Oh, I love it. Now, will it stay fluffy? Is the thing. Now, do I want to do something with my
thoughts
bangs?
into the universe now.
Just leave it like this? Is it good like this? Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. I wish I had a better mirror than this. Also, I'm gonna be really lazy and just like not untie my tie. Everyone does it. You do it. You know you do. All right, how are we doing, ladies? How are you feeling?
Nervous.
Are we almost ready?
I can't tell.
Because we already got lines waiting at the door.
Already coming in.
Yep, so let's finish up and we're gonna do formation outside the tent pretty soon. What time is it?
8:05.
8:05. Let's do 10 minutes. 10 minutes outside the tent. Really sad, messy tie.
Yes.
I care.
You're the lieutenant. No one's gonna give you shit.
Except for the internet. Oh, most important part. Lipstick. My favorite is Repellant. It's just the best color.
Do mine too. Do you want a lip liner?
Nah.
Good, because I didn't want to give it to you.
What why'd you ask? Oh, that didn't quite go how I wanted it to. Authentic-ish. Perfect. Now, in a perfect world, I would have like something to blot that with, but this is not a perfect world. This has not been the perfect makeup get ready with me as I thought it would be, but it's okay. We're okay. We're doing okay. Alright, that's just about it, I think. But that was my get ready with me, sort of really rushed and a lot of stuff going on. But we've got to get ready to let the public in because, as you can see, they're already lining up. Oh, I have hairspray. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, well, I'll see you guys later, and fingers crossed, prayers that this actually like works out how we hoped it would. Okay, bye.